Welcome to Techasonic, the top 5 outdoor table tennis tables in 2026.
Perfect for casual fun or serious play. Whether you want durability, weather resistance, or pro-level performance, we have options for every player. Stay tuned to see which tabletops are listed this year. Links in the description so you can grab your favorite easily. Number 5. The Spollowe 8-foot foldable ping pong table. Set in red is a versatile and practical choice for both casual and competitive table tennis players. This complete set comes with everything needed to start playing immediately, including an 8-foot mid-size foldable table, a durable game net, 2 paddles, and 3 balls. Its thoughtful design allows it to be used indoors or outdoors, making it perfect for homes, offices, playrooms, or patios. One of the most impressive features of this table is its foldable and portable design. The quick fold mechanism, combined with built-in carrying handles, allows one person to easily move and store the table when it is not in use. It folds compactly to fit under furniture or against walls, saving valuable space without sacrificing playing surface. Construction-wise, the table features a sturdy MDF surface paired with a heavy-duty aluminum frame. This combination provides stability during play while keeping the table lightweight and resistant to rust. The mid-size dimensions of 96.06 inches by 48.03 inches by 29.92 inches strike a perfect balance between providing a competitive gaming experience and fitting into smaller spaces like apartments or offices. Additionally, the table includes adjustable legs with rubber suction cups, ensuring a level playing surface on various floor types while protecting surfaces from scratches. Setup is quick and requires no assembly, so players can start enjoying games immediately. Overall, the Spollowe 8-foot foldable ping pong table set is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a convenient, durable, and space-saving table tennis solution that combines fun, quality, and portability in one package. Number 4. The ping pong tabletop for billiard table is a versatile and convenient solution for anyone looking to enjoy table tennis without dedicating permanent space to a full table. This tabletop topper transforms an existing billiard, dining, or picnic table into a fully functional table tennis table in just minutes. It is available in multiple sizes ranging from 6 feet to 9 feet, allowing users to select the perfect fit for their available space and table dimensions. Constructed from engineered wood, the topper features a 12mm thick playing surface that provides a smooth, reliable bounce for both casual and competitive games. The lightweight yet sturdy design ensures that setup and movement are straightforward, while the 4-piece hinge system allows the tabletop to fold compactly for easy storage. When folded, it measures approximately 35.5 inches long by 17.7 inches wide, making it easy to tuck away in a closet or against a wall. To protect underlying tables, the topper comes with high-density foam pads on the bottom, preventing scratches or damage to billiard or dining surfaces. The included net and post set is simple to attach, ensuring a complete game experience right out of the box. With a weight of only 33 pounds, this conversion table is manageable for adults while still being suitable for children to use safely. This product is ideal for families, game rooms, and casual indoor or outdoor play. Its compact storage, protective features, and ability to convert nearly any flat surface into a ping pong arena make it a practical and enjoyable addition to any home. It allows players to enjoy competitive table tennis without sacrificing space or furniture. Number 3. The REAHOISY 6i3FT portable ping pong table is a versatile and practical choice for anyone seeking a reliable mid-sized table tennis experience at home or on the go. Crafted from engineered wood with a multi-layer coated surface, this table offers consistent ball bounce and the right amount of friction, delivering a professional feel during play. Its sturdy iron frame is rust-proof and waterproof, ensuring durability and easy cleaning, while the adjustable non-slip feet provide stability on various surfaces. Designed for convenience, this portable ping pong table features a compact foldable design that fits easily in most SUV cargo spaces, making it ideal for trips to the beach, camping, or outdoor gatherings. The table includes built-in carry handles, allowing one person to transport it effortlessly. Setup and takedown are quick and simple, taking only about 2 minutes, which means more time playing and less time preparing. The table is also equipped with sturdy bracing and protected rubber corners, allowing safe and stable play both indoors and outdoors. Its weather-resistant construction makes it suitable for casual outdoor games without worrying about damage from elements. This complete ping pong set includes a 6-foot table, a removable net, 2 paddles, and 2 balls, providing everything needed for immediate play. Users do not need to purchase any additional accessories, making it an excellent value for families, friends, or recreational settings. The combination of portability, durability, and ease of use makes the REAHOISY 6x3FT portable ping pong table a highly practical and enjoyable addition for any game room, backyard, or outdoor activity. Number 2. The GoSports mid-size table tennis game. Set in blue or red is an excellent option for those who want a versatile and portable table tennis experience. This set includes a 6-foot by 3-foot mid-size table, 2 paddles, a game net, and 4 balls, providing everything needed to start playing immediately. Its compact design makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor use, whether in a game room, apartment, office, or backyard. The table is constructed from a heavy-duty aluminum frame, which combines sturdiness with lightweight portability. This ensures a stable playing surface while still being easy to move and transport. The smooth tabletop offers a reliable bounce, making it suitable for casual play or more competitive rallies. Built-in carrying handles enhance portability, allowing one person to set up or store the table effortlessly. Setup is extremely quick and intuitive. The table folds out in seconds for play and folds back just as easily for storage. When folded, it becomes ultra-compact, making it convenient for homes or spaces where a full-size table would be impractical. This mid-size table is perfect for families, friends, or small gatherings, allowing up to 4 players to enjoy a fun and engaging game. Its balance of portability, durability, and ease of use makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to enjoy table tennis without the space and cost of a full-size table. The GoSports mid-size table tennis game set provides hours of entertainment, whether played casually or more competitively, and is an ideal addition to any home recreation setup. Number 1. The GarveeLife portable ping pong table is a professional-grade 9-foot table designed for serious table tennis enthusiasts as well as casual players. Constructed from 12mm engineered MDF and a heavy-duty aluminum frame, this table provides a stable and reliable playing surface that ensures consistent ball bounce for intense matches or leisurely games. The alloy steel base and adjustable legs guarantee stability even on uneven surfaces, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Designed with versatility in mind, this table allows solo play by folding one side upright, making it ideal for practice or playback sessions. Its full-size dimensions of 108 inches by 60 inches by 30 inches provide ample room for competitive play while remaining practical for home, office, or recreation spaces. The foldable design, combined with a double locking mechanism on each half, ensures safe and secure storage, while smooth rolling wheels allow effortless mobility and easy repositioning. The GarveeLife table comes with all necessary accessories, including a net, 2 paddles, and 3 balls, so players can start enjoying the game immediately. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions included, allowing setup in a short time without complications. For additional support, the brand offers responsive customer service to assist with any issues during setup or use. Overall, the GarveeLife portable ping pong table offers durability, professional quality performance, and convenient storage options. Its combination of robust construction, smooth gameplay, and versatile features makes it an excellent choice for adults, teens, and families seeking a long-lasting, high-quality table tennis experience in any setting. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 outdoor table tennis tables in 2026. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and buying guides. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite table today. Share your thoughts or your top pick in the comments below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.